Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a GitHub with Unity. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this guide from the GitHub community, and those are the steps. So basically you will be needing, of course, to have Git installed, and basically Git would allow you to use the Git command, and you can get your Git from your web engine or browser engine, and just go to the Git, you download for the OS that you have, and basically you just install it. After that, you will be needing just to have your GitHub desktop. You can also get it from by searching for it like GitHub desktop, and you will find the website directly to download the GitHub desktop. You download it for Windows or any other OS that you have, and from there you will be able to start creating a local Git repository. For beginners, it is wise to create your repository using the GitHub desktop because it is not necessary to use the GitHub desktop. You can do it just by using the Git command. So here in the Git ignore, make sure that you search for Unity, and this will ignore some files because the Git ignore would just ignore some files to not commit them in the changes, etc. And after you use the name, you add description, local path, etc. Now you will be needing to have the get LFS. And now you can get it from here, so you can start storing or uploading large files, since Unity has large files, and then you will need just to download it, so you can start using this pack extension. And then you will be needing to open terminal, and you can just do it by searching for cmd or command prompt, and you will need just to run git lfs install to initialize git lfs, and by that you will be able to start having your git lfs or git attribute example, and then you will be able to start uh, creating your files, etc. Now all you will be needing is just to start committing, use whatever you like uh, in your projects, and basically that would allow you to start uh, committing and pushing to your uh, remote repository. So as you can see, those are just the projects or uh, all your project things, and basically you can just push normally. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.